Hey guys, today I want to make some beef and I use the green pepper, green onion, garlic and ginger. So when we cut the beef, we need to pay attention and make sure you cut the beef along the grain lengthwise. See? Not this way, but this way. See, the beef is like this. Now let's season it. Use the soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and mix it. Oh, we need some cornstarch. So the last step is put some sesame oil. Put some oil to keep everything in and make it tender. Now put it away and give it about 15 minutes to make sure it's seasoned. Let's start cooking. Always heat up the oil first. Let's fry the green pepper first. Only 1 minute. And then get it out. Add some oil. Wait for a little bit, don't move it. This time I only cook like 2/3, so the rest of the beef I can put it in the ice bath and use it tomorrow. When you feel it's almost done, then you add the ginger, garlic, and the green onion. Add the green peppers together. Give a little bit more salt, mushroom bouillon, black pepper, and then let me try it. Tastes very good.